Peace. This is part 2 of 35th District Court, these corrupt courts of Romulus. Now let me see. The battery died. I had to recharge this thing. So where was I? Oh yeah, I had to go back to 35th District Court on in February 8th, and I stood before Judge Tina Green. And here's the transcripts of what she said and I said. Yeah. She's talking about I'm challenging her jurisdiction right off the bat. And she's telling me that I need to do some quality time at a church. Well, looks like the damage is already done. So anyway, I challenge her jurisdiction, and she wants me to spend some time working at a church for 20 hours. And I'm telling her I'm challenging her jurisdiction. I have no idea where Hindman is, but he's hiding somewhere nearby. So I'm remaining silent. She's talking whole bunch of jibber jabber. And she's telling me she wants me to do 20 hours of community service at a church. And I'm telling her to prove jurisdiction. So this lasts for about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. She's doing a whole lot of unnecessary talking, and I'm still challenging her jurisdiction for the record. And this is how this ends. I'm not going to be doing no working for anybody. Not going to be scrubbing no toilets. I'm just going to challenge your jurisdiction. And I want to know where Hindman is, but he's hiding somewhere. And he knows he's in a lot of trouble, but hey, I did 14 days in jail over a constitutional right. And these kangaroo courts, 34th District Court, they got their money and wanted me to plead guilty, but I wasn't going to plead anything. If only there was a way to find their weakness. But hey, give me liberty or give me death. That's how I run. So, I want somebody to explain to me, where do 34th District Court, Hindman, and these judges and prosecutors have the right to throw you in jail for challenging their jurisdiction? And, oh, you don't have license, registration, insurance in Michigan, you don't need that stuff. And Supreme Court say you definitely don't need license, registration, and insurance to travel on the public roads. So I'm asking anybody out there, show me where it says you need license, registration, and insurance to travel on the public roads, unless you're doing commercialism. So I've been through hell and back with these courts, and they can't prove jurisdiction. I'm going around challenging their jurisdiction, and they're changing the court dates to another month. Every time I go to these courts, these kangaroo courts, I'm challenging jurisdiction and making a special appearance, and they deny it and change the court date to another day. They got all their lawyers and attorneys there, and they ain't doing nothing. Just standing there looking pretty and stuff. And I'll be making a video with Taylor. Them bastard Nazi cops assaulting me, tearing me out my windshield, breaking my vehicle, terrorizing me. Yo, so this is about Romulus right now. So anyway, everything was dropped, but it really doesn't matter because the damage is already done. And took $5,000 to bail me out of jail. $5,000 to bail me out of jail. It could have been higher. It could have been higher. It could have been lower. But the way I see it, I was told $5,000 to bail me out of jail. All because I travel on the public roads. And yet, it say here, no law required you to record, pledge your private automobile. Yeah, going through all this, I already showed you all this, but hey, I'll put it on in the description below. Corrupt courts, corrupt judges, criminal enterprise, trespassing of the law. Yep, they trespassed upon my constitutional rights. This leads to treason. Hindman, your days are numbered. Mayor of Romulus, yours too. I just forgot your name right now. But hey, Leroy D. Bullcroft. You've been avoiding me for a while. But it's you and these kangaroo courts and cops going around robbing the people, stealing. They don't know any better. But hey, you wanted money. I knew the law. I knew how things work. I've been doing research for years. And yet you ignored my documents and my papers and everything that I worked so hard for to learn how to be free from tyrants like you. Marriage law. I hope you know about the Moorish National Zodiac Constitution, because it's the oldest known law. It's as old or older than the Constitution itself. Yeah. So much information to learn, so little time. And I just want, oh, here we go. Warning. A Moorish American cannot be convicted of false accusation, framed up charges. The evidence against a Moorish American must be concrete proof beyond a shadow of a doubt. The Moorish nation of 150,000 million of the USA should not be destroyed for lack of truth and knowledge of the law and constitution of the Moors. That's right. So, it's been a long year for me. 2015 and part of 2016. Long year and a half, 2 years of going to these courts back and forth, challenging the jurisdiction and fighting for my freedom. And yet, no matter what I do to prove my innocence, all they want is money. Doing a video. Doing a video. Yet the Supreme Court said no license necessary to drive automobile on public highways or streets. Yet, cops going around stopping people, tasering them, beating them. Terrorism is here. It's already here in this country. Oh, terrorism is in the Middle East. No, terrorism is not in the Middle East. These Nazi regime pigs you call cops and courts and kangaroo courts and Alan Hindman. It's all about the money we're going to steal from the people. It's not whether you're innocent or guilty. It's all about you're going to give us money, and if you don't give us money, we're going to come after you for some more money, and then we're going to put you in jail. And we're going to make some money off of you that way. I tell you what, Alan Hindman, I'm going to sue you. I'm going to sue the pants off you. And I'm going to sue Romulus. I'm already doing that. So much corruption everywhere. So thick. And Leroy, I'm coming after you too. You have violated my right to travel, and you allow these corrupt cops to get out of control. You're supposed to stand tall and work for the people. But you are no different than Alan Hindman. That pig, his days are numbered. And I'm going to make sure justice will prevail. Well, if anybody out there who got something to say or think they know something they have to say it. Put in the comments below. But hey, prove me wrong in writing for the record. And I'll challenge any of you out there. I'll prove you wrong. I've been through hell and back with these courts. No, you lost everything. Lost my vehicle. Yeah, they sold it. I'm on SSI. I have a disability. I've been traveling on the road for 20 years now. No accident. No DUI. Haven't committed no crimes or broke no laws. And yet, I lost my right to travel. I ain't got no vehicle. I ain't got no money. And I spent all that money on lawyers and attorneys and jail cost fees. And the Supreme Court said you have every right to travel. And they're openly speaking out, saying you have the right to travel and you don't need all that garbage. I don't work for the state. The state works for me. I have Moorish license plate, Moorish ID. I don't contract with the state. I don't contract with anyone. I have that natural right. And, well, Hindman decided to take it from me. Okay. Well, Alan Hindman, you got what you wanted. Now it's time for me to get what I want. Justice. Justice will prevail. And you better pray. You better pray, Alan Hindman, because I'm already praying. I'm praying for justice. If anybody out there who can help me get back on my feet, sell me a hoopty vehicle, give me a few dollars to buy a hoopty vehicle, that'd be great. But I'm barely swimming, keeping the water above my head. I don't have any money to buy a vehicle, but I need a vehicle. I really do. I need to buy my groceries. I need to pay my bills. And without a vehicle, I'm having a harder time doing that. So, if anybody can donate a vehicle to me or show me a place where I can buy hoopty vehicle, that'd be great. But at this point, things are really tough for me. I'm trying to get back on my feet. Thanks to these kangaroo courts, I lost my job. I'm barely have enough food for the month. It's like that now. So, I'm asking you again, anybody, where does the cops, because I'm challenging anybody's jurisdiction, where does it say the cops can go around pulling you over and breaking your windows and tasering and pulling you out of your vehicle, slamming you down to the ground, put the cuffs on, and kidnap you? Where does it say in the Constitution that they can steal your property and sell it to the highest bidder? I want to know myself. So, I'm waiting for some comments. I'm looking forward to these comments. Anybody can prove that the Constitution is old and does not comply anymore. Prove it. Looking forward to some comments. Anybody out there who can help me, like I said before, help me get back on my feet, that'd be sweet. So until then, I'm going to make another video about these Romulus cops. And one on Taylor, one on Dearborn. Oh man, them two cities, they're as corrupt as Romulus. I just want to also make a video on Jalika Floyd King, because that woman does not have guardianship over me. But that's going to be on another video. So until then, peace.